COTYLORHIZA tuberculata is a species of jellyfish of the phylum Cnidaria, also known as the Mediterranean jellyfish, Mediterranean jelly, or fried egg jellyfish. It is commonly found in the Mediterranean Sea, Aegean Sea, and Adriatic Sea. COTYLORHIZA tuberculata can reach 16 inches in diameter, but is usually less than 7 inches wide. The Cnidarian's smooth, elevated central dome is surrounded by a gutter-like ring. Jellyfish's umbrella are elongated and subrectangular. Each mouth arm bifurcates near its base and branches several times. COTYLORHIZA tuberculata experience an annual life cycle marked by summer population blooms. COTYLORHIZA tuberculatas for main stages of growth include the swimming larvae known as planulae, younger sessile polyps called scyphistomae, the undeveloped young adult intermediates known as ephyrae, and the adult jellyfish forms, called medusas. Planulae or larvae use their small cilia to propel them through the water, eventually settling on a hard sediment on which they develop into their polyp form. The scyphistomae or polyp acquire their photosynthetic algae symbionts during their preliminary development phase, although the mechanism for this is still unclear. These microorganisms live primarily in the mesoglia and lining of the cnidarian's gastrovascular system, bolstering oxygen production, and remain with the jellyfish for the rest of their lifespans. The polyps also undergo asexual reproduction to create more polyps. Parts of each polyp will eventually metamorphose into ephyrae or young adult. Sexual reproduction between adult medusas typically occurs between August and October. Female COTYLORHIZA tuberculata eventually release large numbers of planulae or larvae into the water. COTYLORHIZA tuberculata primarily consume minuscule aquatic organisms, often a mixture of phytoplankton and zooplankton. The jellyfish takes in tiny organisms through its mouth arms, from where they travel to its stomach. One of the main issues created by annual blooms of COTYLORHIZA tuberculata is an interference with human recreational and financial activities like tourism and fishing are often disrupted due to the sheer number of jellyfish in the waters. This jellyfish sting has very little or no effect on humans, however, it can cause allergies in sensitive people. These allergies usually involve itching and scratching in the stung area. COTYLORHIZA tuberculata have been studied due to their specified cytotoxicity in regards to certain breast cancer cells, which is made possible due to the organism's efficient intercellular, gap junction communication. Since a main objective in cancer research is to create treatments that selectively kill malignant cells while leaving healthy ones intact, COTYLORHIZA tuberculata may become a model organism for the treatment of those human ailments.